Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on Eye Comfort Shield in your Android phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to display and here you can see Eye Comfort Shield option, then just tap here. Now by tapping here you can enable Eye Comfort Shield or Night Light. If you cannot find Eye Comfort Shield option in your phone, then you can look for Night Light settings. Eye Comfort Shield keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. Now if you want to set schedule for night light, then just tap on schedule. Here you can see three options: always on, sunset to sunrise and custom. But I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. Then tap on while using the app, then allow all the time and then go back and it's done. Here at the bottom you can see color temperature option. You can increase or decrease your night light color temperature from here. And that is how you can turn on Eye Comfort Shield in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.